In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Hollyland Lark M2 to Android phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the Lark M2 microphone with any Android smartphone that you have is extremely simple. All that you have to do is grab the appropriate receiver. So usually it is going to be the USB-C version if you have an Android device. If you have an iPhone, then you can also use USB-C depending on the model, but most likely you will need the Lightning one. But since this video is focused on Android smartphones, then I'm going to assume that you will use the USB-C one. So now plug the USB-C receiver on the port available on your smartphone. Once it is plugged in, these two lights, TX1 and TX2, are going to start blinking. Once they are blinking, it indicates that they are looking for the receivers, aka the microphones. So all that you have to do now is take these two mics out of the case. Immediately upon taking them out, they will also begin blinking, indicating that they are searching for the receiver. And now, as long as they are in close proximity, they will automatically pair themselves up together. You don't have to do any sort of manual input. If you notice that it doesn't work and these lights keep blinking indefinitely, then what you can do is press the yellow button on the transmitters and the yellow button on the receiver. This will manually put them into pairing mode, which allows this process to be done manually. Once these lights are stable, it indicates that the pairing process was complete and they will start blinking. Once the light is stable, it means that you are good to go and you can open any sort of voice recording application on your Android device. Any app capable of receiving inputs will be able to be used to record your voice, or you can download Hollyland's very own application to record your voice. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Hollyland Lark M2 to Android phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.